Here she comes! Woo-hoo-hoo! Here she comes! Guys, shh. Today's the day. So for the last little couple days, probably 4 days, actually more than that because I've been planning it for about 2 weeks, today is Michelle's surprise birthday party. So we have to be quiet because she's right upstairs and she can hear me through the vents. So we are throwing a huge 30th birthday surprise birthday party for her outside, out front of our house. And there's gonna be a lot of people there, but we're trying to keep it social distancing. And we're gonna have just pizza, so nobody has to touch food, anything like that. We're gonna have games, and we're gonna have drinks. Like, when I say drinks, we're talking virgin drinks. We're talking like soda vines, if you guys know what that is, or like soda shops. They're like dirty sodas without alcohol. Anyway, tangent. But we're gonna have that and like a bunch of desserts, and people, like, she has no idea that this is happening. I've been getting supplies and actually storing them in our neighbor's garage. She has no idea. And I got her this cane. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's gonna be awesome. It's this this old woman cane, and it's got like gold glasses and like a horn, and oh my gosh, it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned because the party's tonight, a couple hours. I'm gonna kind of take you through it with you when I get it all set up and stuff. We've got her sister-in-law is gonna come and take her away so I can set up everything, and they're gonna go do something while I can get everything set up and all the people can arrive, and then they'll drive here and they'll be like, what? It's gonna be awesome. It's just gonna be awesome. So I'm really excited. Happy birthday, Shell. We love you. And yeah, so stay with us. So stay with me so you can see everything that I'm setting up, everything, and it's gonna be a super big party. All right, this is about to get super real. So Michelle just left. She has no idea what we're doing, but she just left. She's going to get a manicure with Missy, and then we are gonna just start getting ready. This is gonna be unreal. This is gonna be super crazy to try to pull off, but I've got an hour and a half to set up everything, get everything cleaned, set up, signs up, balloons out. It's gonna be a rush, but we're gonna have some help coming up here soon, so that'll be nice. And then it's funny because I've got like 20 kids in my house too right now, so we've got help to come watch the kids as well, so that will be helpful. However, I need your guys' help. We need to book it quick, and I've got to record it, so I want to make sure that you guys see everything. So here we go. So we've got all these drink flavors, like pomegranate, wow. And our awesome friends just down the street used to own soda shop. They've got all this fun stuff. Anyway, I got to get some cleaning and get it all set up. I haven't even told the kids at all because I didn't want them to ruin the surprise. So Peyton's right here. Hi. Peyton, guess what we're doing? We are going to have a big surprise birthday party for Mom tonight. We're having all Derek and Bree will be here. All of her friends? All of Mom's friends. All her Bunko friends. Derek and Bree, Down and Hannah, Missy and them, Brianne and Kyle. All them. Brianne and Kyle? Yeah, they're all coming. And we're gonna have a big surprise party, and she doesn't even know it's happening. Yes. So at 6:30, she's supposed to be here. And anyway, so we have a lot to get done. So I appreciate your help with watching the kids. Yeah. Okay, so we're ready, I think. So we got everybody out. We got all the tables set up, no pizza yet. Happy birthday. We've got a little photo booth here. We've got all the friends playing, canopies, food. We've got the drink area with limes. Okay, any second she should be here. Peyton, I'm excited. Pizza just got here. Let's just say I've been nervous all day trying to get this thing all situated. I hope she has no idea. I don't think she has any clue that this is happening. So, I think that might be her. I think that might be her. Crap. Is it? I don't know. I think that's Missy's. Okay. I think that is her.
If it is, you better keep recording.
I know. Crap. I can't tell if it's her. Yeah, okay. My heart was beating because I was like, I think that, I don't know what the car exactly looks like.
Do you want us like...
Let's all come out to the street.
All right.
So once you guys see her, let's all go out to the street and let's all gather out front right now on the street. She should probably be here in a second. So, okay, so she's gonna be here any second. We're all gonna gather by the street and have, so she sees us when she comes. Hi, Mama's coming. Are you ready? Mama's coming. All right, is that her? There she is, here she comes. There she comes. Woo-hoo-hoo! Here she comes.
Oh my goodness! Oh! Wow! What? I'm gonna cry! What is this? Oh my goodness! I'm like crying! They're all for you! Oh, get out! You can get out. That's really sweet!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
You gotta help me!
Hi, sweetie. Oh, you bet! Oh my gosh! Happy birthday, Mud!
Looking at the new landscaping and then I was down and I was like, oh!
There you go!
Oh my goodness! So
Why are you now still not? You
Yeah.
said you were going to get...
Sorry, it's right in front of everybody.
No, that's okay. Hi.
Hi! Okay.
1, 2, run!
Oh, does this mean I can like people escort you like over? Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Hi.
Oh man, your feet look so good.
Hi.
Your feet look so good.
My feet do look so good.
Hi, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Look at all our friends.
Oh my goodness.
You were talking about it this morning, and I was like trying not to laugh. I was like, oh yeah.
You had no idea.
No.
You're being honest.
Yes, I was sitting there this morning. I was like, I was gonna do a high sit, and I was gonna do all this stuff.
Yeah. She accused me of maybe having an affair because I was so secretive with my phone. I'm like, don't look at my phone. And the worst thing is my phone is synced to our laptop, which always like bings through it, and she does a vlog on there. Hey, thanks.
You did a lot.
What do you think I've been doing the last 2 weeks?
Having an affair, clearly.
Exactly. I'm not having an affair. All right.
We have this awesome soda bar. This is so cute. Look at all of these. What is this?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. This is very, very impressive, sweetie. I've only been gone an hour. And then my awesome friends helping over here setting all of them up.
Honestly,
They can throw together a party when they want to. And then I have my other friends that are being so sweet. All right, we have cousins showing up. Where's Matt? We've got, oh good, we're missing cousins. Look at all this.
party spoiled by wind. Look at the storm. Storm's coming. It's gonna spoil this whole dang party. Okay, so she is now officially super old, and we need to let her know. And so this is a Hot Flashes fan for her.
This is amazing.
This is so you can know that you're coming. Glasses and
Is this for all your pills? Is that
for all the pills? She's a happy pills.
This is great. I really want to wear these.
Yeah.
I think they can attach.
Good.
They look perfect on you.
Thank you guys all for coming. Okay, can we talk about this guy right here?
Why?
Seriously, I felt so special.
Good.
It was so powerful. Like, I was shocked.
Yeah, I think
Very
she was pretty
surprised.
shocked.
I cried.
You guys, we did a good job.
I cried.
She did. I'm sure you've seen it.
I just, like, it made me feel so special. And it made me feel special. All the detail I could tell JD went to. And all the people that I could tell had to have brought something. Because, like, it was
There's
like
a lot of food, a lot of
8
fun.
pop-up tents.
Yeah.
And, like, 20 pizzas. I'm like, holy pizzas.
Yeah,
It was so fun. Really, like,
it was way
I
fun.
felt so special. It was everything I would have wanted. Thank you.
Yeah, love you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday month!
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're the best. So thanks for joining us.
Thanks, guys.
Way to keep it a secret.
Yeah, good job, guys. I'm so glad you didn't tell her.
So
I
glad
was
you-
shocked. Shocked.
All right, good night.
Good night, guys. Bye.